Hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking on our project proposal for MSE Fire for Engineering Management. So today we'll be speaking on our team, the company, problem statement, objectives, team SWOT analysis, strategy, and the guidance. Our team consists of 7 members, starting from Amit, Jagdish, Mohit, Rajat, Chinno, Shubham, and myself, Mika. Moving forward to the company, Boyd Corporation is an international company which mainly focuses on component manufacturing and fabrication of adhesive tapes and flexible materials. The company provides bonding, surface protection, sealing, and thermal management solutions for a wide variety of industries, including healthcare, electronics, and industrial applications.
Corp is having a new project of applying ISO 13485-2016 in its facility and implementing the standards throughout the organization and make sure each and every employee is trained and accustomed to the standards and follow the guidelines that comes with it. So ISO 13485-2016, a standards for quality management system where organization shows its ability to produce medical devices in a controlled environment. This project will start with creating SOPs and work through training the employees and performing audits and eventually getting the certification of ISO 13485-2016 international standards.
But to talk about the objectives, we are mainly focusing on the mentioned key points to address the ISO implementation across each department and organization. Our initial objective is to form a team which includes a project manager, a quality assurance manager, and a key person from each relevant department to gather information applicable for the regulatory requirements. And then we would be developing a quality management system documentation, which includes a quality manual, required policies, and procedures, and necessary quality checks to be done. And the next objective is to train the employees because it's a necessary step to make sure every employee is aware of the ISO standards that have to be implemented. And by this, we are going to give necessary training to all the employees on the QMS documentation, the standards required for it, and the roles and responsibilities. And then we start implementing QMS documentation and ensure that the all employees follow the procedures and instructions outlined. And our next objective is to perform internal audits, where we focus on internal conducting the audits to make sure we are forming an effective QMS documentations to identify areas of improvement. And the last objective that we would like to be implementing is making a corrective and preventive actions to address all the non-conformities identified during internal audits and to ensure the content improvements of the QMS so that any other actions that have to be needed to make a correction in the procedures can be identified.
I will be covering the strategy of this project, which we will start by clearly defining the organization's goals and objectives for implementing ISO 13485. Identify the specific benefits that the organization hopes to achieve, such as improved quality and safety, increased customer satisfaction, and compliance with regulatory requirements. The next strategy would be developing a comprehensive project plan that outlines the steps, resources, and timelines for implementing ISO 13485. The plan should include a project team, a timeline, milestones, and deliverables. The next would be allocating resources, ensuring that sufficient resources are allocated for implementing QMS, including personal time and financial resources. This also includes providing training to employees, hiring external consultants, and investing in necessary technology and
I'll be
infrastructure.
talking about the strategies to implement the QS documentation and ensure that employees follow the procedures and instruction outlined in the documentation. This involves providing training and support to the employees to ensure that they understand QMS and how the roles and responsibilities are played. In performing internal audits, conducting internal audits to assess the effectiveness in the QMS and identifying areas of improvement. This involves identifying non-conformities and preventive actions can be taken. Engaging external certifications to provide certifications to the QMS documentation and maintaining the certification through regular audits and management reviews.
Hello, my name is Shubham. The team SWOT analysis will be the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. In the strength, we have planning skills, we are optimistic, and we are responsible. The second one is weakness. We have lack of management experience as we are students right now. Uh, Focus on one task, lack of knowledge about the industry. Uh, Third one is the opportunities. So the opportunities we have the time management, public speaking, and decision making. In the threats, we have irrational perspectives, time of schedule and conflict, and limited resources.
Hello, guys. So, phase one is already completed. In phase two, we have included the data collection from internal employees in terms of survey and external audit report. Then is the data analysis on survey and audit report, benchmark research, and in the last is the analyzing finding against the research. In phase three, we are focusing on writing report, final presentation, final report submission. Thank you so much. See you in the final presentation.